car at NCC. Just got this one in the other day. This is a 1969 Q code 428 Cobra Jet, Mach 1, black interior, 4-speed. She's pretty much a hell of a car. Just needs a little bit to finish the restoration. As you can see, no stripe down the side, but recently painted. See, the black shines nicely. Door gaps are all good. Interior, a few little things to finish it up. As you can see, 4-speed, 68,000 mile car. Original owner's manual, warranty booklet, original door tag. A little cold in the great state of Indiana, a little snow. It does have Magnum 500s on it now. Engine bay. Original aprons. This is a Metuchen built car, so it does have the buck tag up here. As you can see on the black, or on the buck tag, it is black. For sale here at NCC. Black, 1969, Q code, Mach 1, 4-speed.